Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move your taskbar apps to the left here like Windows 10 here. So if you want to remove the apps from the center to the left here, so first of all you just need to click on the taskbar from anywhere. So just right click on it on the taskbar, and here you will find the option called taskbar setting here. So just click on taskbar setting. After opening the taskbar setting here, you need to scroll down and find the option called taskbar behaviors. So you need to click on taskbar behaviors, and if you go down at the first, you will find the option called taskbar alignment. And as you can see, this is now on center here. So just click on it. Here you will find the option called left here. So if you want to remove this app to the left, so just click on left here. And as you can see, now all the apps and the search bar and also the start menu are on the left now, like Windows 10 here. So that's how you can change the taskbar position. And also if you want to make this under the center here, you can just click on center. So that's it guys. This is how you can change the taskbar alignment in the Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.